I know it's noisy outside, but we're gonna finish this game. That's our goal. We're almost there. We're getting there. We're getting there. We're almost there. There's two. We're gonna take a run. Don't choo choo. Don't choo choo. Don't choo choo. Okay. One more generator. It's GG. Solo. Just soloed it. I bet the other gasoline are right on those assets. Oh, so close. So close. The spider's so close. Just right there. It's right there. If you choo-choo me, no. Don't choo-choo me, man. I'm so vulnerable at this point. At this 1, 2. Don't choo-choo. Okay. Got him. Get scraps. Let's get the scraps. Find the last two gasolines. It's over. We're sprinting all the way there, man. We're on for it. Are you serious, man? That's not cool, bro. That's way too far from the train. And I have no idea that it was there, man. One more. No, not the... I wanna find where's the gasoline at, bro. The one more gas. It's supposed to be the gasoline, not the... I know, I have to put the gasoline in that generator, man. But okay, we're going back on the battle. It's the last one. Each time he gets close and we shoot at him, he flinch. That's our advantage, man. There's no way, bro. It's right there. No. No. I ain't going there, man. Okay. Gotta do this, man. It's now or never. It's right there, man. Okay, stop. We're going. Oh, no. It's on the other side, man. Oh, no. We're dead. Where's it exactly? Come on, show me. Oh, we're dead. Where's it exactly, man? I wanna know, man. Only one gasoline left. Come on. We're almost there. You gotta be kidding me, Brent. Now I know it. Okay. We're clutching this. I don't care. We're clutching this, man. Crossing the toss. No way, bro. One more hit. I'm dead. I'm dead. He's camping. He's camping, man. No, no, no. He's not. He's camping. No, 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 no. The door is right there. The door is right there. Gotta hit it. Yes, man. Yes. This is the last one. Yes. Okay, we got the one gasoline, the last gasoline. It took too many attempts to running. I'm gonna run for it. I'm gonna run. It's not over yet. It's not over yet. You have to take it the generator. It's the last fight. It's the last. Just let me get out of this island, bro. I don't know why I got here, man. Come on. It's really funny that he makes that train sound, but he looks more like a house than a. He looks more like a house than a train, man. You see? I'm going back. I'm going back again. Okay. Stop. Stop right there. I'm going. I hope I don't die. This is the last attempt, man. Go. Gotta make it quick. 1, 2. That's so close. All the generation will turn on. What the heck? Oh no, not. Let me go back. Nope. No. Hold on until the door opens. You don't progress. Get off, man. I'm running out of bullets. Come on. Come on. Please don't run out of bullets, man. Come on, almost there. Oh no. Gotta run. We got serious drop. Oh no. We just fell. Just gotta close it. Man, I'm so lucky there. I'm so lucky. Oh man. Okay. Finally, we finished this in one attempt. That's great. Yeah, I enjoyed this game. This is really unique. Yeah, this is like your choice. I hope to play it in the future, and because but I don't have a computer or PC like that. Yeah, so I played in mobile, and it's a great experience, man. So I like to thank the developer of this game. Yep, this great game. So yeah, that's the Spider Monster horror game. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you guys for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, like the video and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's pretty much it, man. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.